Hi everyone, I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to this 2020-2021 school year. Let's see what's in this slideshow. Alright, in this slideshow, we're going to go over a quick hello. You're going to meet the teacher, get to know a little bit about me. I'm going to talk about 2 truths and a lie, my favorite things, show you some books that I love, and share some contact information with you. If you're going through the slideshow on your own later, you can click on any of these buttons to go straight to that page, or you can press this home icon to come back to this page. All right, so a quick hello.
Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Mrs. Snow and I'm excited for this virtual quarter of the 2020-2021 school year, and I hope you are ready for the challenge. I know that I am. I look forward to seeing you in Zoom and online and as soon as we can in the classroom. Have a good one. See you later. Bye.
All right, so let's meet your teacher. I have lived in Las Vegas for more than 30 years. My husband and I have been married for 22 years, and we have 4 children, and 2 of them are officially adults. I graduated from Cheyenne High School a long time ago. I earned my Bachelor of Science from UNLV and my Master of Arts in Teaching from Western Governors University. Thank you for allowing me to teach your students. All right, 2 truths and a lie. Out of the 3 statements below, 2 of them are true and 1 is a lie. Can you guess which statement is untrue? Also, if you want to email me and tell me which one you think is a lie, you could also send me your own 2 truths and a lie, and I will try and guess which ones are true and which one is not. All right, number 1, Sonic sodas are my favorite. Number 2, all of my kids are named after mountain ranges. And number 3, I love to bake. All right, a few of my favorite things. I love being a mom, teaching owls. I haven't taught any owls, but I do love both of those things. Diet Dr. Pepper, science, being creative, choosing the right, sign language, and many more things. And here's a picture of my family at the Neon Sign Boneyard, I think is what it's called. Here's my 2 boys. They're officially adults. My 2 girls, myself, and my husband. Books that I love. Here's a few. So when I turned 30, I started keeping track of books that I have read, and I have logged over 250 books. I did not count any of the little books that I read to my kids when they were small. I'm sure I'd have over 1,000 if I did that. So here's just a few. It was really hard to choose. I definitely love historical fiction. Yeah, Regency romance. I like gushy stuff. And I don't know. It's fun to read. All right. Next, contact information. Here's my email address. You could click on this and it would take you directly to our school's webpage, so you could send me an email. This is the school's website, and then here's a website that my daughter created for me. So let's go to my school website. There's the school. You would go to About Us and then Staff, and you could type my name. We'll let that load. I am the only Snow at Losi. So click on my name. It'll take you to this page here. I don't have any pictures in the photo album. They are actually on my website. I have some favorite links about me, supply list, syllabus. I have not uploaded the syllabi for this year yet. Distance education resources and email. So let's check my supply list. All right, leaving the classroom. If we come back, sanitizing wet wipes, box of tissue, and hand sanitizer. Some optional things: colorful expo markers, a ream of colorful paper. I do like to print on different colored paper. It helps students find things. Amazon gift card to buy lab supplies. Things that you will need in your backpack or at home with you. A notebook of your choice. Composition or spiral is fine. It's for you. 2 file folders, any color. Index cards for vocabulary. Or you could, if you have another vocabulary learning system that you prefer, that's fine. Writing utensils. We are not allowed to share during this time right now. So have your own, and post-it notes, and always have a positive attitude with you. Okay, let's go back and check my website that my daughter designed for me. It's pretty awesome. Alright, so here's my favorite quote. See the good, be the good. I think I made it up. I don't know, somebody else might have put it out there too. Zoom and appointments, you can click on that to find out all about Zoom and getting a special appointment for tutoring or one-on-one. I will have question and answer during our regular class time. Here's another link to the supply list. We're going to try to be mindful and active and creative this year. Some coping and stress techniques that I found online. All right, and then depending on what your class is, there will be some other assignments. I'll just click on anatomy and physiology. If you need help, this will take you to that Zoom website. This is the PowerPoint that I'm discussing right now. Here's some assignments that I've already got started. I don't have everything up yet for the week. And then an overview of your particular class, which we will go over in our Zoom meeting. So, all right, that is it for me. I look forward to seeing everybody online, and then as soon as we can, in person. All right, see you soon. Bye.